T-series ignition lock cylinder and key. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 0.5 pounds. Package dimensions: 5.08 L by 5.334 H by 10.16 W centimeters. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc., SMP, is a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. Just as good as the original. Lost the keys to my Cutlass and after searching for 2 months decided to buy this. Ignition unbolts without having to turn it with a key like most car ignition. That made replacing it very easy. Recognition's got a great fuel to it, feels just like the OEM ignition, doesn't feel cheap at all, wish I would have bought it 2 months sooner.